BMW 7 Series F01 is shorting this fuse. 119 is 15. So now instead of that fuse I have connected light because it was always short and lightning. After we took out head unit and short disappeared, what I found here was water in hard disk place until here. Now dry everything, and what is one more thing here is this diode is shorted. So try to change that diode and maybe it will wake up. So screen, everything is dead because of that fuse. Parktronics not working. So if you have something like that, could be that you have same problem with this diode.